Hope you had a great weekend, fellow Realtors. Jeffrey, Mr. Tech Raskin here. Once again, happy Monday. So today, Monday, November 18th, we have a great course on real estate business planning for 2025. Yes, it will give you 80 RECE credits, 3 hours to be exact, but you're going to learn a lot of great information, as you always do for the last 19 years of going through our courses. So with that being said, go ahead and sign up not only for today, but later on this week via Zoom. We have Flex MLS Part 1. We have Flex MLS Part 2, giving you different categories of CE credits. We also have Transaction Desk, and even though most of you use it and you think you know how to use it properly, I promise you I will show you new tricks that will totally blow your mind. At the end of the week, we have the future of real estate. This is going to teach you everything you need to know about what's going on. Should I stay with NAR? Should I not stay with NAR? What are the benefits? All of the other crazy lawsuits that are going on top of that. So let me know if you have any questions. Look forward to seeing you at one of the classes. Oh, and I want to remind you that keep in mind that we do distribute computers. We set them up for you. We transfer all of the information over for you. We make sure that you are the most efficient realtor out there. Once again, let us know if you have any questions. Looking forward to seeing you at one of the classes. Have a great week. Techie out.